In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up custom fields in HubSpot. And by the time we're finished, you'll be well versed in creating personalized fields that cater to your specific business needs. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot website. From any web browser, simply type in the HubSpot URL and head over to their homepage. Once you're there, locate the login button sitting comfortably at the top right corner of your screen. Give that a click, as this is your gateway to accessing all the tools HubSpot has to offer. Next, you'll see the option to sign in with Google, which is often the quickest way to gain access if you already have your accounts linked. Click on Sign in with Google, and when prompted, select your Google account from the list. If you don't see your account immediately, make sure you're logged into your Google account in your browser. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your HubSpot profile. Here is where the magic happens. Click on Profile and Preferences, which will take you to the settings, where you can tweak and customize your database to your liking. Once you're in the Preferences section, find the Properties tab. Clicking on this will lead you to the list of existing properties that HubSpot offers out of the box, but we're here to create something truly unique. Look for the Create Property button, a pivotal step that allows you to add a new dimension to your database. Click on it, and a form will appear where you can define the specifics of your new custom field. First, you'll want to type in the property label. The property label is essentially the name of the field, so choose a name that clearly describes what this field will hold. For example, Customer Loyalty Score, if you're tracking customer engagement metrics. After naming your property, focus your attention on the left panel of the page where you'll find the Field Type option. Field types can be anything from text fields to drop-down menus, numbers, or dates. Click on the field type, and from there you can choose the type that aligns best with the data you aim to collect. Selecting the correct field type is crucial, as it determines how you can interact with the data later on. Once you're satisfied with your selections and confident everything is set up correctly, go ahead and finalize your work by clicking Create. With this last step, you have successfully added a custom field to your HubSpot setup, providing a new and tailored way to manage your data. That wraps up our tutorial on setting up custom fields in HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.